Hi again, friends. We finished talking about our box trick for subtraction with regrouping across zeros. I'm going to show you another trick that helps for subtraction across zeros as well. So please turn to page 40. Okay, so page 40 in your math journal. And this is the subtract 1 magic trick. Can also be called shift the number line. As we saw before, when we looked earlier, we saw that if we move or we subtract 1 from the minuend and subtract 1 from the subtrahend, our difference is going to remain the same, okay? This trick works when we have our perfect hundreds, okay? So works with our works with hundreds. Works with hundreds as a minuend. All right. So go ahead and write that down. Works with hundreds as a minuend. And this is not taught in your Go Math book. This is just a secret math trick that I learned. So I'm going to skip a line and let's try 500 subtract 323. All right. So if I take and I subtract 1 from my minuend and 1 subtrahend from my subtrahend, I'm going to have what on top? If I subtract 1 from each of these, what am I going to have? Tell me, everybody. 499 here for my minuend, and what's my subtrahend going to be? Good, 322. I subtracted 1 from each side. Then, voila, I have no regrouping that I have to do. I can just do 9 subtract 2 is 7. 9 subtract 2 is 7. 400 subtract 300 is 100. And my difference is 177. Okay. So we're just going to write here subtract 1 from both the what? Minuend and subtrahend. Subtract 1 from both the minuend and the subtrahend. And then you can solve without regrouping. All right. So this works when our minuend is a perfect hundredths number, but this also works if we have just a tens number. So if we have something like, let's say, let's try 390. Okay. And, well, sorry. Keep changing things. Keep changing my mind. Also works with tens numbers. So I mean any number counting by tens. So like 310, 320, 330, 340. So any number, you know, counting by 10. So let's try it down again. Let's try 390. And let's try subtracting 182. Okay. So I have 390 subtract 182. So, draw my little arrow. Subtract 1 from each of these. What is 390 subtract 1? 389. What is 182 subtract 1? 181. And then I can subtract without having to regroup. So 9 subtract 1 is 8. 8 tens subtract 8 tens is 0. 300 subtract 100 is 200. My difference is 208. So hopefully that helps a little bit. Go ahead and finish up this page. And you can do this with any number, but it's going to work best. It's not going to help you much if you don't have a hundreds number or a tens number as your minuend. And when I say that, I mean the numbers you hit when you count by tens and the numbers you hit when you count by hundreds. Okay, thanks for working hard. Have a great day.